All those YouTube gurus have been lying to you. You cannot go and get EIN only funding. Everybody says that. Everybody says we're going to get EIN only funding. All you can do is build business credit. To tell you the truth, I personally have spent thousands of dollars in mentorships because somebody said you can get EIN only funding. And you know what happened at the end of the program? At the end of it, when somebody said, how do we get it with no EIN? No? How do we get no doc loans and no doc credit cards? Oh, you need to be making $2 million a year. Wow, I wish you'd have told me that before I paid you. But that's how they get people in. They get people in saying you can get EIN only funding, no PG, no personal credit. But come to find out, you really need a lot of income. So you can do it, but you need a lot of income. You don't have to use your personal credit, but you will have to show some financials. So you don't have to be personally attached to the debt. But if you're not making $2 million a year on paper, you probably will not be able to get EIN only funding. All right, my friends. So if you like this type of content and you want to learn how to level up in life, this is the channel for you. What I want you to do is like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that you can stay up to date and you can see more videos just like this from me. I also want you to click the notification bell so you can make sure you always get notified because we put out a video every single day. We don't miss. Every single day we have a new piece of content dropping for you. So subscribe, like, and share, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. So there you have it. I just saved you thousands of dollars. You don't have to go through the same thing I went through, paying these people for these mentorships that don't really make sense. Instead, what I want you to do is build your personal profile up. Stop trying to beat around the bush. Stop trying to stay away from building your personal credit. Build your personal credit up. Build your business profile up. Go and get funding and start making that $2 million a year so you don't have to worry about using your personal more. But right now, if you're not making $2 million yet, go ahead and build your personal, build a business, and then build your revenue up to where you can get that $2 million and never use your personal credit again.